Anita, can you please create something which I can decorate in my room? But I have only two color sheets, black and off-white.
Let's create it.
Let's start with one A4 size paper, cut this into half and then make a mark of 1 inch as shown in the video, and then glue it like this to make a roll. Let it dry completely and then we will cut one circle out of any cardboard box little bigger than the black roll. Next, take your off-white paper sheet and we will make sticks out of it. I have used total 22 paper sticks. Next, cut out the ends from only one side. And now time to assemble it.
वाह अनीता, ये कितना सुंदर क्राफ्ट है। बहुत इजी है इसे बनाना तो। अरे आप सब देख क्या रहे हो, अभी का अभी सब्सक्राइब करो ऐसे ही अच्छे क्राफ्ट्स के लिए।
Next we will paint this into golden color. Subscribe to my channel for more easy and creative contents. Thank you for watching.